Let's move ahead. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. Now, Peggy and Mary, they have entered the classroom, and as soon as they entered the class, they were stopped short and gasped. उनका मुंह खुला का खुला रह गया. They were surprised. There were drawings all over the room. पूरे रूम में बहुत सारी ड्राइंग्स लगी हुई थी. On every ledge and window sill. Ledge means at each and every corner, and window sill जो खिड़कियों के जो दरवाजे होते हैं उन सभी के ऊपर. Dazzling colors and brilliant lavish designs, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping papers. Means very wonderful, dazzling, colorful, brilliant paintings were there, drawings were there, which were demonstrated on the walls and windows, and all were drawn on the wrapping paper. There must have been 100 of them, all lined up. कितनी रही होंगी? सैकड़ों, 100, कम से कम 100 पेन ड्राइंग ऐसी थी, एंड दे वर लाइंड अप, एक लाइन से लगाई गई थी. These must be the drawing for the contest. They were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. Means whoever came to the class, all the students, boys, girls, everybody, whoever entered the class, they could not stop appreciating those drawings. They murmured admiringly, वो admire कर रहे थे. They whistled, उन्होंने उसके सीटियां तक बजाई, that how wonderful painting or you can say drawings were there. As soon as the class had assembled, means just when all the students came in, Miss Mason announced the winners. Jack Bagels had won the boys. Means the competition that was for the boys, winner was a boy, Jack Bagels. He had won the medal, she said, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12 along with the sketches by all the other boys. She says that in boys category, Jack Bagels had won the competition, and he has designed an outboard motor, and that is that is on exhibition in room number 12 along with other sketches which had been made by other boys. As for the girls, she said, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most, means most of girls ने क्या किया है, एक या दो sketches submit किया है. One girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs. वो कहती हैं कि वैसे तो इस रूम नंबर 13 में सभी लड़कियों ने एक या दो स्केचेज ही सबमिट किया है, एक और दो ड्राइंग्स ही बनाई हैं, लेकिन एक लड़की है जिसके ऊपर हम गर्व कर सकते हैं, जिसने अकेले ने 100 पूरे 100 ड्रेसेस को ड्रॉ किया है. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. And what is the speciality of these dresses? All are beautiful and all are different. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. She says that judges have declared that any one of these drawings can be given the first prize, can be given winning prize. I am very happy to say that Vanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls medal. How surprising it was for the girls that Vanda won the girls medal. So student, you can see the girl who was always made fun of won the girls medal. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause. Applause means प्रशंसा, जो उसकी तारीफ होती उसको रिसीव करने के लिए वो क्लास में नहीं थी, एंड शी वॉज एबसेंट फॉर सम डेज. दैट इज ड्यू टू हर. लेट ड्यू टू हर का मतलब उसके ऊपर ड्यू रहा, मीन्स इफ शी कम्स टुमारो शी विल बी प्रेज्ड, she will be given applause. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow. Now class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. अब वो मिस मेसन कहती हैं कि now students, you just file around the room. File around means quietly enter the room and have a look at beautiful paintings, extremely beautiful paintings, well made paintings, drawings, sorry. The children burst into applause. मतलब when students saw the drawings, they burst into applause, means उन्होंने suddenly and spontaneously they clapped hand. And even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor. Even वहाँ पे boys भी थे, they also got a chance to stamp on the floor. अपने पैरों से भी उन्होंने आवाज़ें निकाली. Put their finger in their mouth and whistled. अपने उंगलियों को अपने मुंह में डालकर सीटियां भी बजाई. Though they were not interested in dresses. हालांकि उनको ड्रेसेस में इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. Look, Peg, whispered Maddie, there's that blue one she told us about. वो देखो जिस ब्लू ड्रेस के बारे में मैडी ने हमें वेंडा ने हमें बताया था, वो ये रही. Isn't it beautiful? Don't you think that it's very beautiful? Yes, said Peggy, and here's that green one. Boy, green one means I have already told you that she told Wanda had already told them about two dresses. One that was the blue and second one that was the jungle green with red sash. So those both drawings were also demonstrated over there. Yes, Peggy said, and here is the green one. Boy, and I thought I could draw. काश मैं सोच रही हूं कि मैं भी ऐसा ड्रॉ कर पाती. So here with this you can see that these are small kids and kids are really very innocent. जानबूझकर वो किसी को कुछ भी नहीं कहते बच्चे, but they have some jealousy and they make fun of others, but that is only because of innocence. वो किसी को hurt नहीं करना चाहते, and when the reality comes they accept it also. And the same thing you can see here in this chapter, that Peggy, who always teased Wanda Petronsky, admitted that really she has made very beautiful dresses. So this is the end of the chapter, and this is the first part, the 100 dresses. In next chapter we will study about the second part. So to understand better second part, you have to be very clear about this chapter number 5, and chapter number 6 is also about the same chapter, and same topic is there, the 100 dresses part 2. I hope you understood and this video is useful for you. So thank you very much. Have a nice day, students.